What's up, adventurers, and welcome back! Capturing your epic moments shouldn't require a huge investment. In 2025, incredible technology has made action cameras more affordable than ever without sacrificing quality. Today, we're helping you find the perfect companion for your next adventure with our list of the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2025. We've tested the best sellers and top-rated options to find the ones that give you the best bang for your buck. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1, so let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the AKASO Brave 7 LE. Typically priced around $150. This camera is a fantastic entry point and is best for beginners. It offers solid 4K video recording, a handy dual-screen design for vlogging and selfies, and comes with a waterproof case and a generous bundle of accessories. It's a great starter kit for anyone wanting to get into action videography without a big commitment. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Osmo Action 3. Typically available for around $299. This camera offers incredible performance for its price and is best for all-around value. It boasts excellent stabilization, a fantastic battery life, and a magnetic quick-release system that makes it incredibly easy to mount and unmount on the fly. It's a robust, user-friendly camera that delivers professional-looking footage without the premium price tag. At number 3, we have a unique and versatile option, the Insta360 Go 3S. Priced around $349, this tiny camera is best for creative angles and a small wearable form factor. Its magnetic design allows you to stick it almost anywhere for unique point-of-view shots, and its action pod with a flip-up screen gives you full control. It's the perfect choice for capturing hands-free dynamic shots that no other camera can get. Our runner-up at number 2 is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Usually found for around $349. This camera is a former flagship and is best for ultimate durability and simplicity. It provides stunning 5.3K video, top-tier stabilization with Hypersmooth 5.0, and a massive sensor for versatile framing. With its rugged, waterproof, out-of-the-box design, it's a reliable workhorse for any adventure, from the mountains to the deep sea. And finally, taking our number 1 spot on the list of the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2025 is the incredible DJI Osmo Action 4, typically costing around $399. This camera is our top pick for a reason, and it's best for overall image quality, especially in low light. It features a larger image sensor than many of its competitors, allowing it to capture stunningly clear and vibrant footage in all conditions. Its magnetic mounting and intuitive controls make it the complete package, delivering professional-grade results at a budget-friendly price. And that's our list of the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2025.
We've covered everything from the beginner-friendly AKASO Brave 7 LE to the unique Insta360 Go 3S and our all-around champion, the DJI Osmo Action 4. Finding a great action camera doesn't have to be a major financial decision. I hope this video helps you choose the perfect one for your next adventure. Let me know in the comments which one you'll be choosing. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching.